Hi friends, let us have a look at the Indo-Sri Lanka border. Now, some of the factual data you remember, the mainland India pe coastline is, we have a total coastline of 6,100 kilometers on the mainland India. While if we take an account of the total coastline of India, it is around 7,517 kilometers. The nearest coastline, the nearest country to India in the terms of maritime border is Sri Lanka. India and Sri Lanka is separated by a bridge which is mentioned right in the Ramayana, which is known as a Ram Setu or Adam's Bridge. Adam's Bridge is a land bridge which connects India from Sri Lanka. Even if today, if we see the depth of a Adam's Bridge, it is nowhere greater than 30 feet. That means that bridge is visible from the satellite. That bridge can be seen and it is not very deep. It is a connecting link between India and Sri Lanka, this land bridge was present till the medieval period. That is till 1500 AD or till 1480 AD. This bridge was functional, this bridge was present. It was destroyed during the cyclone, it went under the sea. That is again not related to geography, but you remember that this shallow area is known as Adam's Bridge. The bridge in mythology it was created by Hanumanji and his Vanar Sena. It was created for Ram to go to the Sri Lanka. Now, coming to this, the Adam's Bridge separates Gulf of Mannar from the Park Strait region, or we can say it is a connecting link between India and Sri Lanka. The connecting link between India and Sri Lanka, the town which are nearest is Dhanushkodi. This is a town in India. Dhanushkodi and Talaimannar in Sri Lanka. And Talaimannar in Sri Lanka. These are the two nearest points between India, Dhanushkodi and Talaimannar in Sri Lanka. Dhanushkodi is located on the Pamban Islands, jahan pe the biggest city is Rameshwaram. This island here is known as Pamban Island and the city here is Rameshwaram. It is located on Pamban Islands. It is located on the Pamban Island. This island here, which I have shaded red in color, is a Pamban Island region, jahan pe Rameshwaram is located. After Rameshwaram, there is Dhanushkodi and then Adam's Bridge region and the Talaimannar region. This is one point you remember. Why this thing is continuously in the news? Because India wants to build a project which is known as to avoid going across Sri Lanka and then coming to Kolkata. So we are trying to build a project, important sea route, which will go through the Adam's Bridge region from the port of Tuticorin. This project is known as Setu Samudram project. So the Adam's Bridge region is in the news because of Setu Samudram project. Setu Samudram project. Now the Gulf of Mannar region is highly rich. It is a biosphere reserve. It is having some of the important species, for example, sea dugong, sea cow or dugong. A herbivorous sea mammal is found in India only in the Gulf of Mannar region, and therefore if we build a major shipping route through this region, there will be loss of biodiversity, there will be loss of ecology because of marine pollution, and hence environmentalists are opposing this Setu Samudram project. The second thing, of course UPSC can ask you, the two nearest point between India and Sri Lanka are what? It is the Dhanushkodi region in the Pamban Islands and Talaimannar in Sri Lanka. Dhanushkodi is in India, while Talaimannar is in Sri Lanka. So you remember Dhanushkodi, this is in India, and Talaimannar is in Sri Lanka. The third point, Rameshwaram Island. Rameshwaram is a town which is located on the Pamban Island. Why is Rameshwaram famous? Rameshwaram is famous because it is also an important pilgrimage center, but it is also the birthplace of APJ Abdul Kalam, the President of India, the missile man of India, and I know that a source of inspiration for many people like you and me, the APJ Abdul Kalam's birthplace is here in the Rameshwaram Island region. And there is one more island which is in the news, which is a dispute between India and Sri Lanka, which is a source of a dispute, is here. This island is known as, it is just near the Pamban Island. Here, this island is known as a Kachetiw Islands. Not required for preliminary examination. For the preliminary examination, you just remember where is the Kachetiw Island located. Kachetiw Island is an island which belongs to Sri Lanka and which is claimed by India. So go and look at it for the mains examination, the Kachetiw Island dispute. But remember that where is the Kachetiw Island is between India and Sri Lanka near the Adams Bridge region in the Palk Strait. And obviously the island belongs to Sri Lanka, but it is claimed by India. I won't go too much into the dispute. The third thing, for the mains examination, go through the Setu Samudram project. For the mains examination, go through the Kachetiw Island. Setu Samudram project will form a part of your environment ecology. This Kachetiw Island dispute region will form a part of your international relation. The third point which I want to ask you, that what is the other source, or what is this northern part of Sri Lanka known as? This island here, what is the name of this island? It has been a question here even in the past, and it can be the question in the future. What is this bluish shaded region known as? And why is it in the news? This is known as an Jaffna Peninsula. This is the Jaffna region. And why the Jaffna region is in the news? The Jaffna region is in the news because of was in the news, or it is known as an area jahan pe LTT, that is liberation of Tamil tigers was active. So this is the Jaffna region. This Jaffna region lies to the north of the Sri Lanka. So obviously there is a substantial amount of Tamil population there in this Jaffna part, or in the northern part of the Sri Lanka. So obviously this is the northern part of Sri Lanka. So this Jaffna region is in the news. So your topics for mains regarding the Indo-Sri Lanka or India and Sri Lanka is the LTT and the 13th amendment to the constitution, whatever is in the news, Kachetiw Island dispute region, environmental related, it is Setu Samudram project, and Indo-Sri Lanka relationship vis-a-vis Sri Lanka-China relationship. So is Sri Lanka more tilting towards China, or is it more tilting towards India? So this is again out of my syllabus, I am giving you an idea here. But for the preliminary examination, Adams Bridge is, what is the Adams Bridge? What are the 2 points between the Adams Bridge? Is the Dhanushkodi in India and Talai Mannar in Sri Lanka. Pamban Island is an island which is located near the Adams Bridge, jahan pe Rameshwar is located. And this is the Gulf of Mannar region. This is the Palk Strait region, while this is the Sri Lanka. Second, where is Jaffna Peninsula, or where is the Jaffna region? In the northern extreme of Sri Lanka. It was the region where LTT was active. So with this, we have finished the major borders of India. Let us start with the physiography, geology of India from the next lecture. Till time we meet again. Thank you very much.